Hello, my name is Mitya and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to add sparkle to your high end of your mix. Muddiness and shimmer are two EQ issues that many of you have trouble with. They are also known as boom and sparkle, as well as thickness and air. They go by many names, but their presence or absence will not go unnoticed. Muddiness wreaks havoc on your low end, clogging up the mix and lowering definition and clarity. The other, on the other hand, does the exact opposite. It brightens your instruments and opens up your mix. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to add sparkle to the top end of your mix. In order to process the high-end content of the mix, I first grouped the instruments like hi-hat, shaker and ride. Then I process all of them with the MDMX drive plugin. After setting the desired amount of drive and adjusting the other parameters, the high-end now sounds much more clear and brighter. Here is how it sounds without and with the processing. For the end, let's hear it once again in the contents of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.